All right, everyone. So we've got our Insta360 Go 2. I did have to switch cameras because we are going to be using our I'm going to be using my phone to go ahead and set everything up. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go ahead and take a look at the guide here. So basically, we need to install the app for your phone. In this case, I'm going to be using an iPhone. And then we're going to turn on our Wi-Fi. Then press a long button for a second. Go to. All right. Probably put this in the case. Well, it doesn't say anything about that. Let's go ahead and hook everything up. I'm going to go ahead and hook this up to power. Actually, I'm not going to do that anyways. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. We're doing this together here, guys. All right, so let's go ahead and follow it exactly what it's got. So we're turn on your mobile device's Wi-Fi. So go ahead and do that. I think right. And do that. Okay, so I'm on Wi-Fi now. And then it says to do a long press on the action camera for 1 second. Okay, I got a little vibration there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and open the app. And it went ahead and found the device. Of course, there's a firmware update, so we'll go ahead and download that. All right, so then we're going to go ahead and upload the file to the camera. First, okay, so we're going to go ahead and do this. And then do this. There we go. And we're setting our language to English. Okay, so we're not seeing the link here. I'm not sure why. Maybe I need to do something in here. All right, let's try that again. All right, so I'm gonna go settings, connect. All right, so finally we've got the link in app. So now it's connecting. We're gonna go ahead and join. All right, so it looks like our firmware has been updated. Waiting for the camera to finish updating. I'm not used to using this mode, so hopefully you can see exactly what's on my camera as well as what's happening on the phone here. Now it's updating the case firmware. Interesting. Alright, so we'll press to connect camera. We'll go ahead and join. All right, So we'll go ahead and activate this. I may blank some of this out as we do this. All right, I guess there's nothing else. All right, so now we're activated. Let's see what happens if we go here. Look at that. That's super awesome. All right, so our setup is complete. We'll definitely be doing some more videos using the Go 2 and going from there. Let's go ahead and see if we can switch to Pro mode. Okay, it already is. Pro video. It's got a little bit of a fisheye, but that could just be the fact that it is the preview. Hopefully that's what it is. Anyways, all right, so that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that showed you exactly what it took to install the install the update and connect it to your phone. So with that, if you have any questions, make sure to ask down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And with that, if you don't already subscribe to the channel, I invite you to do so. We're going to do a lot of things with the Go 2, but we also will do other things on the channel, things that a professional geek might find interesting. So with that, have a great day.